Hey friends, unboxing a Panasonic microwave. This is under the counter, built-in maybe microwave with an inverter technology. So this is supposed to be able to heat evenly everything. Let's see how that works here. Okay. Hopefully it's going to fit in my counter. That is a big turntable. It says it's 21 inches across though, so let's see. There's that. It's not a small one. Okay, styrofoam packaging. So, how am I going to pull that out of there? Let me get out of the box here and show you what it looks like. Give me a second. Let me pause this real quick here. Okay, well, I actually just lifted it out of the box by grabbing all the sides of the bag and pulling it out. So, let's see what we're working with here. Okay, it's supposed to be nice and compact. Take this off the stand here. Let's go take a closer look, shall we? All right. So I went with the one with the just with the dial to set it. There's the front of it. Looks pretty nice. Okay, inside it's very roomy. I'm just hoping that this fits in my cabinet. So this is a Panasonic, the Genius Sensor 1250 watt sensor cook. It's quite spacious inside. This inverter technology is supposed to be the new thing, I guess, for microwaves. Not have any, supposed to make it so you don't have any cold spots in your microwave when you heat stuff up. A lot of times you heat something up, it'll be like, will not be hot all over. So let's do a little 360 tour here. Nice looking microwave. Dun, 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 dun. This one doesn't apparently have much clearance restrictions because it can be mounted in the cabinet according to what I saw on Amazon. That's why I got it, because I'm going to be putting it in my cabinet because I got a new oven hood that I'm currently working on the install. So, all right, my friends, that's the unboxing. I'll probably be doing some testing on it to make sure it heats the food evenly, but nice looking microwave.